Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you the sports body styling. Up front and the rear, we got LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. A macchiato beige, black ambitext interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. We've got a rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Comfort box. A set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Come alongside. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a nice burl walnut wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our buttons for our radio, navia, and media, a wireless charging station, USB port, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center, our dynamic selects. This E-Class has 30,656 miles on it. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.